Let's break it down. So, you want to get a business loan. It sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple once you peel back the layers. A business loan is just borrowed money. That's it. You, the business owner, ask a lender like a bank or an online company. They give you the money and you agree to pay it back over time. Of course, they don't give you this money for free. You have to pay them back more than you borrowed. This extra amount is called interest, which is basically the fee you pay for the privilege of using someone else's money. Think of it as renting cash. The whole point of a business loan is to get a lump sum of capital that you don't have sitting in your bank account right now. Maybe you need to buy more inventory for your online store because you're selling out too fast. Perhaps you need to buy a new oven for your bakery or a new truck for your delivery service. First up is the simple term loan. This is the classic loan you probably think of. You borrow a fixed amount of money and pay it back in regular installments over a set period or term. These come in two main flavors: unsecured and secured. An unsecured loan is one that does not require any collateral. The lender gives you the money based purely on your financial reputation, your credit score, your business's cash flow. Because the lender is taking on more risk, these loans usually have higher interest rates, and you can't borrow as much money. On the other side, we have the secured loan. As the name suggests, this loan is secured by collateral. You have to pledge a valuable asset, like your commercial property or expensive machinery, to back the loan. If you stop making payments, the lender can seize that asset. Now let's talk about something more flexible: the business line of credit. This is not a one-time lump sum loan. Instead, it works more like a credit card for your business. A lender approves you for a maximum credit limit, say $50,000. You can draw funds up to that limit whenever you need them. Next, specialized loans for specific purchases. Vehicle or equipment loan. Funds for a specific machine or vehicle. The equipment or vehicle is the collateral. That makes it a secured loan and easier to get because the purpose is clear. Lastly, a real estate loan helps you buy property, with the property as collateral. The first thing they will look at is your personal credit score. For most small business loans, especially if your business is young, your personal credit is a huge factor. Lenders want to see a score of at least 680. If your credit is poor, you'll have a very hard time getting an affordable loan from a traditional bank. Next, they look at your time in business. Most lenders, especially traditional banks, want to see that you've been operating for at least 2 years. If you're a brand new startup, getting a loan from a bank is nearly impossible. Startups are seen as extremely high risk. Then comes the paperwork. Lenders want to see the proof. You will need to gather a mountain of documents. This typically includes the last 2 to 3 years of business tax returns, personal tax returns, recent bank statements for your business, financial statements like a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, business registration documents, and any relevant licenses. You need $10,000 for your business. Here's a simple step-by-step plan to get it. First, choose the right loan type. Unsecured loan equals lump sum, good for one-time purchases. Line of credit equals flexibility for ongoing expenses. For this amount, you likely won't need collateral. Step 2. Check your credit and financials. Get a free copy of your credit report and check your score. Is it above 680? Check your business bank account. Have you had consistent revenue for the last year? Lenders typically want $4,000 to $5,000 in monthly deposits. Step 3. Gather your documents. Put everything in a digital folder. Driver's license, EIN, employer identification number, 3 most recent months of business bank statements, most recent tax return. Organized documents make the application smooth and show you're serious. Step 4. Apply. Online lenders are likely the fastest option for $10,000. OnDeck, Kabbage, PayPal Working Capital. Their applications can often be completed in under 15 minutes. Because it's automated, decisions often come in a few hours, or at most a day or 2. You've applied and you got approved. Congratulations, but don't celebrate just yet. Now comes the critical part: reviewing the loan offer. The lender will send you a loan agreement that details everything. You need to read this document carefully. Look for the final interest rate, exact monthly payment amount, repayment term, any fees. Pay close attention to the APR, or annual percentage rate. APR includes the interest rate plus all the fees. APR gives you the true cost of the loan. Once you're happy with the terms and have signed the agreement, the lender will transfer the money. With most online lenders, this part is incredibly fast. The $10,000 could be in your business bank account in as little as 24 hours. Now you can use that money for its intended purpose, Buy that inventory, launch that marketing campaign, fix that broken equipment. It's crucial that you use the loan for what you said you would. The final and most important step is repayment. This is a commitment you cannot break. Set up automatic payments from your business bank account so you never miss a due date. A single late payment can damage your credit score and make it much harder to get financing in the future. Manage your cash flow to ensure there is always enough money in the account to cover the loan payment each month. Paying off your loan successfully will build a positive history with that lender and dramatically improve your chances of getting approved for a larger loan down the road. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the world of business loans. It might seem intimidating at first, but by breaking it down into these simple steps, you can unlock the capital you need to take your business to the next level. This knowledge is your key to financial empowerment. Don't stop here. There's always more to learn about managing and growing your money wisely. Smash that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.